Hello, everyone. This is Dave Bondy back at you with breaking news. This is a big deal involving President Biden's vaccine and testing mandate. A federal court has made a ruling on this issue, and I'm going to explain it to you right now. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button right down there because I give you updates on breaking news as it happens. It's not my job to tell you what to think. That's your job. I keep it unbiased. I keep it real. Let's get to it right now. This is a story that is just breaking, and this is the court document right here. This is according to a federal appeals court. If you remember, it was last week when a federal court had a stay, basically put a stay on the OSHA vaccine mandate and testing mandate, basically saying it would need to be reviewed by a judge. Well, now it has been reviewed by a judge. And this is what it said right here. It says the mandate is staggeringly overbroad. And it goes on to say the mandate fails to consider what is perhaps the most salient fact of all. The ongoing threat of COVID-19 is more dangerous to some employees than to other employees. And then it gets into other situations involving a trucker, a janitor, and so forth. And the one thing that is cited in this report right here, let me bring this up on the screen. This is according to the document, and it said in here, Biden's vaccine mandate raises serious constitutional concerns and likely exceeds the federal government's authority. Now, that is according to a federal appeals court. This just happening within the last few minutes. I'm going to try to find real quick some more information on this right now, but I want to know while I'm looking for this, what all of you think about this when it comes to the vaccine mandate. And a lot of people are wondering what this means for them when it comes to the vaccine mandate. I know a lot of people have asked when it comes to their job and so forth, but this is something that's just coming in. And this doesn't mean that the mandate is done, that the mandate won't happen. It's working its way through the court system. So a U.S. federal appeals court affirms the hold on Biden and OSHA's vaccine mandate, calling it overboard. Now, the Biden administration, they can appeal this, and it can keep moving up the ranks. It can keep moving up to the Supreme Court if the Supreme Court opts to hear this. So that is a possibility. So the federal mandate just coming in. Sorry, I'm trying to find some more information right now. This information just coming in a short time ago. Hold on here. Yeah, the U.S. Appeals Court affirms the hold on the COVID-19 vaccine mandate. This just coming in from Reuters. Let me pull up this story from Reuters, which is a national or international news organization. Let me bring this up on the screen right here. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Sorry, just trying to do everything on time. So here it is. Reuters, the U.S. Appeals Court affirms the hold on Biden's COVID-19 vaccine mandate, which means the vaccine and testing mandate cannot continue as of now. The court saying no. A U.S. Appeals Court on Friday upheld its decision. The three-member panel of the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans affirmed its ruling, despite the Biden administration's position that halting the mandate could lead to dozens or even hundreds of deaths. The mandate is overbroad, they say. The mandate right here, I'm going to highlight this if you can see it on your screen. Let me know if, yeah, you should be able to see it on your screen. The mandate is a one-size-fits-all sledgehammer that makes hardly any attempt to account for differences in workplaces and workers. So basically, they're saying that not all workplaces are the same. And whether you are in medical or are you're a construction worker, it really depends, according to this court. And their decision right now comes down to basically this mandate is very widespread. And they say that may not be constitutional. So the U.S. Appeals Court says no to the Biden vaccine testing and vaccine or COVID-19 testing and vaccine mandate. As of now, the U.S. Appeals Court says no. The Biden administration, they have not said if they will appeal this. They most likely will. And if that case, it will go to the next level. And it could be going up all the way to the Supreme Court. So what does this mean when it comes to you and your job? Do you have to follow these guidelines? I would say talk to your human resources, talk to an attorney. But as of now, the U.S. Appeals Court has affirmed the hold on the vaccine and testing mandate, which means if it was happening right now, it would not go into place due to this federal ruling. Once again, follow me on YouTube. Click the subscribe button. I'm giving you breaking news as it happens. I may not be in my suit and tie right now, but I'm giving you the updates as it happens. Go to the article that we have linked. Go to midmichigannow.com. You'll learn a lot more about this. Thank you very much, everyone.